Did I like take my tail off? Hey you guys, it's me Ava, and today I have a situation on my face, really everywhere, but like we're just gonna focus on the face today. My mustache is awful. My eyebrows are pretty bad. I maintain the unibrow. The rest of it has kind of gotten out of hand. I haven't been able to wax my brows in a minute. I've been doing like sugar waxing, which saves a lot of money because you can just make it at home, but it is not the best for like mini stuff I've found, or I just haven't perfected my technique yet. So I went out and I bought these. Don't know, never use them. I usually use the Sally Hansen ones. Why is it so hard to find wax strips? Literally, I went into Target. I couldn't find them anywhere. I couldn't find them. And then they only had this brand, which is fine. We'll see if they work. I love a little rub, peel, go. I literally wrote that off. Anyway, let's get started. I should introduce all the tools I'm gonna use. So obviously the wax strips, these little scissors, and a little spoolie, tweezers. And then this is for eyelashes, but I don't know, it has the comb. And then for extra help, I have my ice roller ready to go. Oh, it does come with the post-wax oil. Like, okay. Eat after waxing to remove residue. Okay, that's important. Hella wax strips. That. Ooh, I'm excited. There's nothing like having just like a freshly waxed face. It's truly just my favorite feeling in the world. I do have the Hello Kitty band going on here. I'm obsessed. I'm nervous, you guys. I'm nervous. I haven't done this in like maybe 6 months. Like I have just been like shaving, and so it's been getting really annoying. But what I like to do, cut them in half, on the other half. Nope. Oh, there we go. They already fell. So we have like our little guy. Right there. Right there. Right there. Make it all nice and warm. I don't know. I guess until it feels right. I'm just going off vibes. Oh, that's a nice even peel right there. Nice even peel. Okay. Right there. Also, I have super coarse eyebrows. Like super, like it's kind of ridiculous. That doesn't seem right. That doesn't seem right. That doesn't seem right. Eee! I think that's better. I don't know. There we go. Okay, 1, 2, 3. Ow. Ooh. I got like one big hair. God, that hurt. Yeah, that looks better. That definitely looks better. Okay, this one. Whew. Okay, E. Oh, yeah. Touch this up. Oh. Okay, yeah. I think something's happening. Slaying. I thought I remembered this being a little more involved, but I think because I've been shaving my eyebrows too, like they're not as bad as they could be right now, honestly. But like being a hairy girl, like I cannot afford to go get them done all the time. Wow. I would kill to have laser hair removal. Literally would kill for it. All of this just like out of here. Well, I think that's good. I think they did great placement. Also, my lips are so dry right now. So dry in my mustache. Oh. Ooh. This one's really good. This one I think could be better, but I guess we'll see. That one took a lot. Did I like take my tail off? Actually, did I take my tail off? Moving on. I have to buy an eyebrow pencil after this. I mean, that's better. Is it? Maybe I'm taking back everything I'm saying and I need a professional. Because what's happening right now, genuinely. It's fine. We literally have 2 more of these. So we can fix this. We can make a comeback. Oh. Okay. I feel like I just fucked up the tails, which isn't good by any means. Okay. The roots were in that one. Okay. That one literally did nothing. What is happening? This one ate though. Look at this one. It's so good. Good is a crazy word to use for that. Took off maybe 1 hair. Look at this one. Look at this 1 hair just hanging out. Having a great time. I need to do like extractions on my nose. It is so bad right now. Okay, this one definitely not as bad as I was thinking. Also, I don't have my glasses on. So if I'm not like right up here to it, that could be contributing to the mess of this right now, actually. I know this part needs to be like matched up like here. So I need to get rid of like all that. Okay, eat. Eating it up. That actually looks so much better. Look at that. Just what that amount of eyebrow removed can really do for a girl. This one's crazy. Look at this one. Oh my god. 2, 3. Ooh. Did that slay? Ooh. Oh my god, I'm bleeding. I have never understood like why people have thought to like brush down and cut your eyebrows. Like that's never really made sense to me. And I remember I went and got my eyebrows done by this woman. Usually I would go with my mom to her hairdressers and get them done. But my dad took me to his, and like his hairdresser didn't do eyebrows. So like I was pawned off to this other lady when my dad got his hair cut. And this lady, because I had messed up doing my own eyebrows. I can kind of still see it, but like, I don't know. I waxed off like a weird part right here and made them like, and so I don't know. She was like,
I didn't know this was a reconstruction.
I was like, not a reconstruction being done. But she like asked me like, do you cut them? Do you cut your eyebrows down? I was like, no, I brush up and do them. And then she was like, oh, instead of being like, oh, slay bitch. I wasn't familiar with your game, you know? For being 12, I kind of ate the house down. Literally so much hair. How are we looking? I don't know. Oh, I was like, I don't know where the spoolie went. Here. Okay, they look a little like blocky, but I gotta do what I gotta do, you know? My eyebrows are so long. Like, why are they so long? That looks crazy. I need to fix that. Whatever this is. Okay, I guess I'll play. I always like blink and do it. The wax is like getting everywhere. Ow. Ow, like, oh my God, look at that. That's bad. I think that's all I'm gonna do for this brow. I think this one's pretty good, just underneath here is not pretty good. Ow. Ow. Why are my follicles like so giant? Coming out of my skin. I always loved it when the girlies who did my eyebrows had like cold hands. Literally one of the best feelings ever. Ow! Ow! Okay. I think the brows are done. Apply after to remove the residue. I have like a lot of wax down here. I think we slayed, guys. And by we, I mean me, but you helped so much. Oh. Now this feels so good. Like, I can't describe. I feel better going out into society now. But the next thing is this stash. I'm sure it's been popping up while I've been doing this. We are gonna... The thing with like mustache hair too, it's like when you see it coming in and you're like really up close in the mirror, you're like, no one else can see this. Like, I'm pretty fine right now. One day they can see it. And you don't know they can see it because you're like, I'll wax it next week. I'll wax it next week. And you don't. I'm actually pretty nervous about right now. I like don't really want to do this. Okay, I just got to do it. I just got to do it. Like if I count down. Okay. Oh, that worked really well though. There's only like 2 hairs. When I go to look, I just think like my flesh. Like it's just gone. Like I think it's just probably gone. It's like this one part right here. Oh, I really, okay. Oh. Oh, that was a good one. And I hit my knee on the table. These wax strips are good. Okay. Coming for Sally Hansen's gig. I just slapped this one on. We gotta get through this, you know. Oh, I missed like the tiniest spot. There's like some peach fuzz left. Oh, I feel like a radish. I don't. Like right here, you know, just like right there. And okay. 2. I wonder, do you guys think if I got a Q-tip about the wax strip that I could do? Q-tips acquired. I think it'll work. I say that and I'm terrified right now, but I really do think it'll work in my head if we do this right. Oh, right? I don't know. I'm just like pressing it. Oh, gather it back up. And then, oh. I mean, it's like, it's trying its best, you know? We really just need it like the front ones. That one hurt a lot more. I mean, slayed. Oh yeah. Guys, I got wax on my coffee table. That's not good. It's okay. We have the oil. Please. Oh my God, oh my God, oh my God. Oh. It's a little much. They really like my nose. But I got them. Okay, y'all, I'm feeling crisp and clean. Time to oil clean. Putting oil in my nose is not something I expected to do. But I think it was worth it, you guys. Like, I really do. Okay, I think that's it for me today. Here are the final results of the waxing. We got our lip, got the eyebrows. I don't know if I feel much better, but I definitely look a lot better. So I'll give myself that. But it was so fun hanging out with you guys. Don't forget to like, subscribe, share, comment, all that stuff. And I'll see you in the next one. Bye.